What's up, guys? It is the trading infiltration where we're infiltrating the market one play at a time. And today we're going to talk about some stocks I'm watching going into next week, starting Monday, 7/6. Before we get into those, y'all, we have to talk about the market this week. We did have a 4-day trading week, but the market absolutely went crazy on some of these plays, right? Let's talk about Apple. Let's go to Apple chart. So, guys, if you remember my video from last week, looking at Apple stock, we pretty much had I believe our take profit overall was at like 295.58. As you guys can see, Apple completely popped up towards the end of the week. It ended the week today at 308.22. Man, that would have been an amazing play. If you guys had some swings or something like that, that would have been an amazing play. It was just, a good overall week for Apple. They definitely faked out on Monday. They came down to this low down here, and then it popped up and took off and it ran. So Apple is definitely one of those ones this week. If we're talking about Intel as well, guys, if you watch my Intel video, my analysis for Intel, Intel actually hit both of our take profits both ways, and it's crazy. So we had our final take profit down here for the downside for like 119.91. Intel broke through, it got down roughly to around like 118.39 area, and then it came and popped back up and it broke through our entry for the upside as well. So it triggered for the upside and ran up to our final take profit here that we had for the upside at 140.72. So that was a great play as well. Google actually, we had only downside movement or downside plays for Google. And Google just pretty much opened up strong and it never came back. And so I did play Google a little bit this week. I made a little bit of money off of it, pretty much from the upside momentum. But yeah, Google definitely popped up this week and never came back down. Now let's get into what we're looking at this week, guys. So this week, we're going to look at United Healthcare. So, United Healthcare on the 4-hour chart, it ended the week as an indecisive candle. And as I stated in the previous videos, y'all, we don't trade indecisive candles. It's a setup for the next move. So, next week, what I'm looking for United Healthcare, for upside, I'm looking for a break of 425.22. And then our next take profit would be at 428.08. And then finally 430.20. For a downside move, I'm looking for a break of 422. And then our first take profit will be 420.54. We could possibly reject at this level here. So I do have it marked. So that next take profit will be 420.02. And then we have another take profit here at 418.40, and then another take profit at 414.65. Um, Next play we're looking at this week is going to be Amazon. So for Amazon, also entered as an indecisive candle on the 4-hour for today. So going into next week for bullish movement, we're looking for a break of 245.43. Our first take profit will be 246.72, and then our next take profit would be 252.53. For the downside, we're looking for a break of 242.28. Our first take profit, I believe I missed a level here. First take profit would be 239.53. Next take profit will be 237.41. And then our final take profit will be 234.90. All right. Moving on into Walmart. Same thing, guys. The 4-hour it ended as a one. So for the upside, we're looking for a break of 112.33. Our first take profit will be 112.45. Next take profit will be 112.93. And then final take profit will be 113.93. For the downside, we're looking for a break of 109.16. Our first take profit will actually be here at 109.01. Next one at 107.95. And then final take profit 107.25. This is for Walmart. All right. And then we also have Lilly. Lilly is a little expensive when it comes to contracts, but if we catch the right play at the right time, we can probably still get in on this and capitalize. So our entry for Lilly will be 1,213.38. First take profit will be 1,217.51. And then final take profit will be 1,232. For the downside, we're looking for a break of 1,202.65. First take profit will be 1,193.83. Next take profit would be 1,180.30, and then last take profit would be 1,173.93. So these are the stocks that I'm looking for going into next week. I'm not saying um that all these prices are going to hit because guys, as you saw, if you looked at my last videos, I had about five, I believe, stock analysis videos, and I would say about three of those videos actually hit the price targets. So I'm not saying that every single stock is going to go to these levels. I'm not saying that, you know, I'm not guaranteeing that this is going to happen on the chart, but these are the levels that I'm looking for. I won't place a trade on any of these stocks until I see a break and retest of these levels. And again, guys, we're looking for price to break above and then come back and retest the area and then take off to our take profit areas. That's what we're looking for. We're not hopping in as soon as price breaks these prices here. We're looking for a break above and then a retest back down. If it falls back through, then that pretty much the play is invalidated. All right. And so we're looking for a break, a retest. We don't want it to see it fall back through the level. We just want to see it come back up and try to retest and then reject whichever side and then head to our take profits. All right. But yeah, y'all. What do you guys think? Did you guys catch any plays this week? And what plays are you looking for next week? Leave it down in the comments below, guys. Catch you on the next one. Peace.